In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to cancel subscription in Google Play Android. So the initial step involves opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once it's open, proceed by selecting your profile icon located at the upper right corner. From there, navigate to the payment and subscription section. Under this, locate and choose the subscriptions option. If there are existing subscriptions, follow these steps. Pick the applications you wish to cancel subscriptions for. Tap on them. Select Cancel Subscription. Then, provide a reason for unsubscribing when prompted. Proceed by tapping Continue. And finally, confirm the cancellation of the subscription. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.